Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add animations to stickers on CapCut PC. So go to stickers and add in the sticker you want to add to like your videos or whatever. I'm just going to choose this one and I'm just going to add it. You do have animations here, so if you're on stickers, just select animation and select the animation that you want. You can also adjust the speed here like so. But you can also right click on the sticker, go to create compound clip and go to video, go to animation, and you can select video animations to add to your videos like this. But yeah, that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!